step-by-step guide to setting up the keyboard and mouse. The keyboard should sit 10 to 25 centimeters from the edge of the desk to allow for supported forearms when using the keyboard. A keyboard that's too far away will require reaching, awkward wrist positions, and upper limb stress. A keyboard that's too close to the edge of the desk may put pressure on the wrist and require the person to maintain all of the weight through their upper limbs and shoulders. Using the keyboard, we should have neutral wrist positions. When sitting too high, we could have awkward wrist extension. The ideal mouse position is one where the mouse is sitting adjacent to the keyboard with the neutral upper limb. Awkward mouse use requires a person to be reaching far away in front of them or to the side of the body. We should have a neutral wrist position when using the mouse. We want to avoid awkward extension positions through the wrist. A step-by-step guide to setting up the monitors. Check that your monitors are at the correct distance. The monitor should be approximately arm's length away from you when you're sitting in the typing position. Adjust the monitor depth appropriately. Check that your monitors are at the correct height. Ideally, when you're sitting in an upright supported position, your eye line is falling on the top third of the screen. If you're using just one monitor, sit with the one monitor directly in front, arm's length away with your eye line falling on the top third of the screen. If you use two monitors, with one monitor being used the majority of the time, for example 70, 80 or 90% of the time, sit with the main monitor directly in the front and the secondary monitor to the side. If you're using two monitors equally, sit directly between the two monitors. A monitor that is too low will result in awkward neck and trunk